Alright everybody, this is Jeff aka Slinger. Some of you know me from YouTube, some of you know me from StickCam over at GPTV, StickCam, or GPTV Live on Justin TV. Today's going to be a wirecast how-to tips and tricks. So I'm going to try and do this in one take. So first I'm going to load up wirecast. That's what it should look like loading up on your screen. When you get it, it's going to look pretty plain. What you're going to have to do is, the first thing you're going to have to do is go up into the layout over here. Layout, click on that, check on preview. So check on master audio, check on main shot list, check on output status for when you do your shows. You want to see what your frame rates are and your CPU, your data rate output. And that should look really good right there. Then what you want to do is you want to go up to File and then pick your aspect ratio. Go to aspect ratio. I like 720p, or you can use 1080 if you want. You can also use NTC 720, either or, but get yourself probably a 16:9 ratio works good for widescreen video. Alright, what you're also going to want to do is you're going to want to come to this little green light here beside the go. Uncheck that, because what that does is when you build your preview over here, you don't want it broadcasted over here where everybody can see it before it's time. This way you can build your layers or present your desktop that's going to be broadcast out or cam shot before anybody can see it. It's like not giving away your magic tricks. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I've renamed all these layers, just so you know. I'm going to downsize this a little bit, bring it up, there we go, downsize a little more so that you guys can see it well. You'll see I have a blank shot here. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click on this little cam icon. First I'll go into main video 1. Usually they're called layer 1, 2, 3, 4. I've renamed them. All you do to rename them is right click on them and rename layer. Okay. Alright, so main video 1, which I'm going to put my main shot. I click on the cam and then I add a camera shot. Okay. This is the USB camera that I have, and I'm going to add another one by clicking the cam again. And I'm going to go up to my 1.3 webcam shot, which is the one that comes with my laptop. Now I have 2 video shots. First thing I want to do is I want to right click on that and go to edit shot. And I'm going to go to aspect ratio and uncheck the aspect ratio so I have a full widescreen 16:9. I'm going to go into here. I'm going to do the same thing on this and edit the shot. Go into this. It's in between the cropping tool and the shape tool. It's called configure visual effects. I'm going to uncheck the aspect ratio, and now I have 2 widescreen shots. All I do is exit that, and then if I want to save, okay, I go to save and I pick the wirecast document that I'm working for and save it. Replace? Yes. Okay. Now what I do is I've got 2 basic video shots. I want to add my Webcam Max next, which I'm going to be using for picture-in-picture and such stuff. Here, let me accidentally click that. Click on this, go to your Webcam Max or Manicam if you have that. It'll be a webcam source. You hit add that and you've got a full Webcam Max. Now edit shot. You'll want to uncheck aspect ratio for a full widescreen view again. Then exit out of there. Now you've got, I've got 2 actual video cams in layer 1, 1 Webcam Max shot to start with, and now we're going to want to add some backgrounds. Now instead of going into the cam to add the backgrounds, you can go into this paper with the plus here, click on that, and then add picture shot. Alright, so I'm going to go to where I stored some of my stuff for GPTV. And I'm going to pick a couple backgrounds. There's one background. I'm going to edit the shot. Go into aspect ratio. And you see how easy this is becoming already. I'm going to add another background. Add picture shot. It's already in the same folder now. No, it's not. Oh, gotta go back there. GPTV. And I'm gonna add, let's see here, some nice flames. There we go. I'm gonna right click that, edit shot. Go to aspect ratio, uncheck that, and it's now widescreen, and get out of there. Alright, going back up to my main video where I want to add some different types of shots, I'm going to now hit duplicate layer by right clicking and going to duplicate shot. Then I'm going to edit the next shot, and I'm going to go back into configure visual effects, and here where it says no matte, I'm going to pick rounded. Nope, I'm not going to pick rounded. That's not good. Oval. There we go. And then if I alt click and left click, I can drag the picture smaller and then left click and drag it where I want. So that's a cool little setup for a picture. Now if I go down to this plus button, okay, it just says no media. When I hit it, make sure that's selected and go back to the media change, and I will add, let's see, I'm going to add some stuff I made as GIF formats, some lettering for the show. Let that load up. I'm going to add AKA. There we go. And I'm going to add another media and go into that key. You're going to have to probably rewind this. I know I'm going through it real fast, but there's a lot of things to learn here. I'm going to add a GPTV gift as a title. Put that in the corner there. I'm going to select AKA and move that over just a little wee bit. Let's see, like that. Give it a nice clean look, and then I'm going to exit out of there. Now I've saved this shot, okay, and if I want to add a background to it, because they're done in layers, I can add this to it and then hit go, and then you see the whole layer come together. Now this is just a start. I'm going to show you how to do picture in picture next. So go back to the blank, and I'm going to select blank here so that I can work on my next picture in picture. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to select this, duplicate the shot. I'm going to hit this picture in picture over here, and I'm going to do angled in. Alright, now edit this shot, and then you go to B placeholder, okay, pick a cam, which I'm going to use a Webcam Max for this, and then I'm going to make this rounded as well so that it matches. Is it oval? There we go. Alright, now I can change the size of this or whatever, but you get the basics of it. Now it's a dual shot. I'll make this one a little bit bigger on this side, just by alt clicking and alt and right. I'm going to move this up here a little, then I'll go and hit my USB camera, select that, and I'll drag this one down. There we go, and that's another shot saved with picture in picture. Now if I want to use it, I can add a background to it just like that, and then hit go, and we've got picture in picture with the titles and the background. Alright, that should be it for the first tutorial. I'm going to have several more coming out. I hope you check them out. Hope you subscribe to my YouTube, and have a great day.